Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Skype. Let's have a look now. In the Skype application, find the contact you want to block. Click on the settings icon next to the name. On the contact profile page, scroll down and locate the option to block the contact. Click on Block Contact. Confirm by clicking Block. You can also report for abuse. Confirm your decision. The contact will be blocked from your contact list. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.